We call upon Mrs. Ramya, Department of Physical Science, to introduce the resource person. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Absolutely. They have to take the kid like this, they have to feed the child, everything they have to take them to the restroom and other things, everything they have to do. So, they have to be paid more. This is my observation, and I used to converse with some of the friends like this. The people who are doing a difficult job, they have to be paid more. We people, I am saying about the college professors, we are not doing much thing than the school teachers. The school teachers, they have a good place in my mind always, because they are bringing the generation, they are building the base is being made in the school. So, when we go into the classrooms, a scientist or a president or whatever it is, and during the time of president, he went to many schools and spoke to the little children. He just created the inspiration in the minds of the children. So when for example, the two subjects, as we all know, the English, mathematics or history. Either you can leave English also, maths and history, the most dangerous, right? If the student likes the teacher, they will study maths. If the student likes the teacher, they will study history. I was also one of the person who got inspired by one of the teachers, so I studied history. Yes? Against what is happening, but it is my observation, giving much importance to the celluloid figures. That is absolutely, it is going to disrupt. It has started disintegrating or disrupting the society, because that is the reason even nowadays we are not able to handle the children, because they are living in one form of a world, always watching the songs many times. We don't know even the meaning of the words of the song also. We are not able to sing at least a simple one line of a song, but they are telling it fully. They are singing it fully. No meaning. Song, there is no meaning at all, but they are singing. And that is becoming a trend. Viral videos. So all these, in this context, how we as a teacher going to handle. So it is a very difficult task. So after this corona, it has got a big impact, because they were behind the doors for 2 years and totally the mind got corrupted. So nowadays in colleges also we feel lots of difficulties to handle the psychological mentality of the students. They are not willing to do anything. Their motivation level is just dropping. In a class of 60 or 70, I am hardly finding 4 or 5 students studying. So being the colleges, being the autonomous institutions, they just pass the kids, pass the children to get the marks, they just pass, they get the degree. But where lies the problem? Since you are the people who are in the schools, please make the students understand they have to be proper, they have to communicate properly with the outside world. They should have a good communication skill, good written skills. Because when I am speaking to the employers or the employability, skills of the students is very less. Even when they go to many engineering colleges, they are not able to get a good hand. That is so pathetic. They are going and then later on they go and work in Zomato or Swiggy or whatever it is. For the sake of maybe over 15,000 or 20,000 only they are earning. Then why you are here? We have to teach them money is not a priority. So the next one. So the goal of cultural sensitivity is you have to have an increase in the awareness of the cultural differences. Here in our schools, there might not be much cultural differences. In the SBOA schools, they will not have much differences because you will have a more or less and that they will not do. They will enjoy the Sunday or Saturday like anything. And you people are sitting here. Sorry. Even I have observed. They will enjoy, they will not, we are saying that we are giving importance to the family, husband, wife, no. Please, teachers, European country, foreign arrangement. என்ன சார் சும்மா லைட்டா ஒரு சிங்கப்பூருக்காவது கூட்டிட்டு போங்க சார். இப்படிலாம் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறது ரஜியா பரவினையும் அந்த ராஜ்மோகன் அவரையும் கூட்டிட்டு வந்து பேசினாலும் புரியாது. நேரா போய் கூட்டிட்டு போய் காட்டுங்க என்ன நடக்குது. ஓகே ஓகேயா? எனக்கு தெரியாதுப்பா, காசு நீங்க கொடுத்துருங்க. Last time also